The RV industry desperately wants you to buy a $200,000 depreciation trap. Forget that. Today, I am revealing 5 Class B camper vans that actually make financial sense for pragmatic retirees in 2026. Stick around for my number 1 pick. It includes a hidden standard feature that usually costs $12,000 extra. Let's start with the Thor Scope 18M. When people hear affordable in the RV world, they brace for compromised quality. The Scope 18M shatters that expectation. It sits on the Ram ProMaster 1500 XT chassis, powered by a highly reliable 3.6-liter V6 engine, pushing 276 horsepower, legendary for its longevity and cheap replacement parts. Measuring just 17 feet, 11 inches long and 9 feet, 5 inches tall, this size is crucial for anyone transitioning from a standard SUV. You are driving something that fits perfectly into a standard grocery store parking space, while still giving you enough overhead clearance to stand straight inside. For retirees, driving anxiety is a major hurdle. The Scope eliminates that white-knuckle feeling. But what makes the 18M brilliant for the 2026 market is what Thor squeezed into that compact footprint. Unlike older budget models, the 18M includes a dedicated rear wet bath with a solid privacy door, a hot shower, and a flushable toilet. Not walking across a dark campground at 2 in the morning is a massive quality of life upgrade. The kitchen is compact but highly usable with a 2-burner gas cooktop and refrigerator. Finding these at a street price between $80,000 and $97,000 makes it the undisputed king of entry-level maneuverability. But what if you refuse a front-wheel drive van and demand the safety of all-wheel drive, paired with a domestic engine serviceable at thousands of local dealerships? That brings us to the Coachmen Beyond 22C. This upgraded van diversifies our list by stepping onto the incredibly robust Ford Transit 350 AWD chassis. It's powered by the legendary 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, pushing out an impressive 310 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. It measures 22 feet, 2 inches in length with an exterior height of 9 feet, 11 inches. For a retiree traveling across the country, the Transit platform offers absolute peace of mind. The all-wheel drive system gives you incredible traction on rain-slicked highways or gravel campsite roads. Furthermore, almost any local Ford dealership in North America can easily perform maintenance. You never have to hunt down a specialized European mechanic. Inside, the 22C floor plan is a masterclass in lounging ergonomics. Instead of a fixed bed dominating the cabin, the plush rear power sofa seamlessly converts into a massive bed at the touch of a button. It features a spacious wet bath and heavily insulated interior designed for all-season travel. Priced typically between $125,000 and $145,000, it undeniably commands a higher premium. However, the unmatched domestic service network and all-wheel drive safety make it a brilliant, worry-free investment. Now, let us step up slightly in size and focus heavily on sleep ergonomics and driving comfort. If you are willing to navigate a slightly longer van, the Entegra Ethos 20T is an absolute must-see. Built on the upgraded Ram ProMaster 3500 chassis, this rig is powered by the trusted 3.6-liter V6 engine, producing 276 horsepower. It stretches to 20 feet, 11 inches long, with a height of 9 feet, 3 inches. As we age, climbing over a sleeping partner in the middle of the night goes from a mild annoyance to a legitimate physical hazard. The 20T floor plan solves this by utilizing the added length to feature a brilliantly designed rear twin bed layout. You get a wide center aisle, allowing either person to comfortably get up. If desired, those twins easily bridge together to form an oversized king bed. The real hidden value lies underneath the floorboards. Entegra includes their proprietary EZ drive handling package standard. They upgrade the suspension, add a heavy-duty rear stabilizer bar, and tune the shock absorbers specifically for the motorhome's weight. The Ethos feels remarkably planted, smooth, and predictable on the highway. Entegra confidently offers a 2-year limited warranty, double the industry standard. Street pricing generally falls between $95,000 and $110,000, flawlessly bridging the gap between budget and luxury markets. If the Entegra appealed to you, but you consider yourself tech-savvy and want maximum interior lounging space. Look closely at the Jayco Swift 20D. Jayco and Entegra share the same corporate umbrella, meaning you get the identical reliable foundation, the robust RV ProMaster 3500 chassis, the 276 horsepower 3.6-liter V6 engine, a total length of 20 feet, 11 inches, and a height of 9 feet, 3 inches. You also get that exact same fantastic easy drive ride quality and that critical 2-year warranty. However, the Swift 20D targets a completely different lifestyle. Instead of twin beds, it features a massive rear living area with a convertible wraparound sofa and an available pop-top roof. During the day, you can back right into a scenic campsite facing a mountain range, throw open the rear doors, and have a massive lounge to enjoy your morning coffee. What makes the Jayco Swift incredibly valuable right now is the inclusion of the Jaycommand Smart RV system. With a smartphone app or digital touchscreen, you can effortlessly control your roof air conditioning, monitor exact tank levels, turn on exterior lights, and check battery voltage. Priced reasonably between $100,000 and $117,000, it perfectly integrates modern smart home technology into an affordable chassis. Finally, we have reached the pinnacle of value for the modern pragmatic traveler. If your ultimate goal is to cut the cord from expensive RV parks and camp off-grid for free, the Roadtrek Play Tuff is the undeniable champion. It utilizes the heavy-duty RV ProMaster 3500 extended chassis, powered by the proven 3.6-liter V6 engine. It runs 20 feet, 9 inches long, and stands 9 feet, 5 inches high. Most first-time van buyers buy an $80,000 van, only to realize the standard battery cannot even run a microwave. They end up spending $12,000 at an aftermarket shop on lithium batteries and solar panels. The Roadtrek Play Tuff completely bypasses this expensive mistake. It includes all of that heavy-duty electrical infrastructure directly from the factory. You get a massive 400 amp-hour lithium battery bank and dedicated solar charging standard. You can easily run your induction cooktop, television, and ceiling fans in peaceful silence. For 2026, Roadtrek significantly upgraded the ground clearance, added rugged all-terrain tires, and reinforced the exterior body cladding. You can confidently drive down heavily rutted forest roads. Currently pricing between $115,000 and $153,000, the upfront cost is higher. However, when you calculate the thousands saved by never paying for an RV park hookup, it easily transforms into the most affordable off-grid van to own over a 5-year period. Choosing the right camper van is not a foolish contest to see who can spend the most money on imported Italian leather seats. It is about deeply analyzing your personal travel style and aggressively protecting your retirement savings. Whether you prioritize the absolute driving simplicity of the Thor scope, the twin-bed comfort of the Entegra Ethos, or the rugged off-grid independence of the Roadtrek Play Tuff, the overarching mission is identical. You need a vehicle that allows you to spend your time exploring the country rather than draining your bank account on depreciating luxury. Let me know down in the comments which of these 5 vans you would confidently park in your driveway. Or, if you are already living the van life, tell the community which model has proven to be the most reliable for you. In my next video, I am shifting gears from affordability to the absolute peak of high-end travel as we tour the top 7 luxury motorhomes on the market for 2026. If you have ever wondered what a $500,000 mansion on wheels actually looks like inside, and whether that price tag is actually justified, you will not want to miss this deep dive into the world of elite RVing. Safe travels, and I will see you in the next one.